Forget the terminology. Just be in the moment and see how you feel. Because if you're falling for someone, then fuck the labels.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away. Girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can't shine as bright as you, I swear it's true.
And I know that smile.
Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance. I'm right there. If you get lonely, give this song another listen. Close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side.
Yes, I am a lesbian. Can we move on?
Yep.
Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 Hey there, Delilah, I know times are getting hard. Just believe me, girl, someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good. We'll live the life we knew we would. My word is good.
I prefer Fridget.
Hey there, Delilah, I've got so much left to say. If every simple song I wrote to you would take your breath away, I'd write it all. Even more in love with me, you'd fall. We'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along, because we know that none of them have felt this way.
Would you do this for any of the women?
Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same, and you're to blame.
Whole story about me, Frankie.
Hey there, Delilah, you be good and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do.
I can't. I know. I can't.
You know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you.
Or about why you smile when I walk in the room.
Hey there, it's what you do tonight in New York City. I'm 1,000 miles away. It's what you do tonight. You look so pretty.
Do you miss me?
Hey there, it's what you do to me. About the distance, I'm right there with you. It's what you do to me. Another listen. Hey there, it's what you do tonight in New York City. I'm 1,000 miles away. It's what you do tonight. You look so pretty.